Today, we are back in Denver to experience a one-of-a-kind holiday festival. Let's go! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Tonight, we are here at the Denver Zoo, which is absolutely glowing with the holiday cheer, both literally and figuratively, because of the annual Denver Zoo lights. The annual Denver Zoo Lights event is when the zoo transforms into a winter wonderland filled with over 1 million lights, festive displays, and tons of holiday magic. This event runs throughout the holiday season, and it is one of the most popular seasonal attractions here in Denver. If you are looking for a fun, family-friendly activity to get into the holiday spirit, this is definitely the place to be. So, grab your hot cocoa, bundle up, and let's take a look at some of the most dazzling displays the zoo has to offer. One of the coolest things about Denver Zoo Lights is that all the displays are animal themed. From lively zebras and majestic bears to playful penguins, you'll find all your favorite animals lit up in vibrant colors. These larger-than-life displays are so well done. Each animal is made of thousands of LED lights, and the details is amazing. It's like stepping into a magical safari of lights. Beyond the animal displays, there are also tons of other festive features throughout the zoo. And if you are a fan of big, impressive light installations, you will definitely have a great time strolling along the zoo's walking paths. The pathways here are lined with shimmering lights, and there is even a section with interactive elements for kids. There are also a carousel and a train here where you and your kid can take a ride. It is a perfect spot to snap a photo with family and friends. There are also places here where you can still view live animals if you get tired from all the light shows. Although limited, you can still see some of them, even during nighttime. And of course, no holiday outing is complete without some delicious treats. The zoo has plenty of food stands and restaurants where you can get everything from hot cocoa to churros to complete meals. The Denver Zoo Lights is really a magical experience for people of all ages. It is the perfect way to celebrate the holiday season and make some amazing memories with family and friends. So, that is a wrap for tonight's adventure here at the Denver Zoo Lights. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the amazing displays and getting a taste of the holiday fun. So, if you are in the area, definitely check it out before it ends. It's a tradition you won't want to miss. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Ciao!